Hey YouTube, I thought it'd be fun to do the Sundays song, Here's Where the Story Ends. It's good for beginners because it's only got really two chords in it, C and G. Let me do a little run through. People I know, places I go, make me feel tongue-tied. Where the story ends. It's that little souvenir of a terrible year that makes my eyes turn red. Alright, those are all three parts of the song. The verse is C, starts on G, goes to C. And the rhythm is kind of like pre-chorus, which is the part where they say he is. Same thing as the verse. Where the story ends, just G to C. Here's where the story ends. That's why I thought it'd be fun to do this song, because it's a good beginner song. Then, when it goes in the chorus, it hangs on the C, because the chorus is a little different rhythm. It goes 2 measures of C, and then 2 measures of G. That little souvenir. That's the first measure, is C. Then we take off our index finger and we play a C major 7. Of a terrible year. That's the second measure. And then we go to G. Right? So all together, that's a little souvenir. The terrible year makes my eyes turn red. All right. Have fun playing that song. Bye. C, C major 7, G, G.